Welcome to our tutorial on sets and set operations. In this first section, we'll introduce you to the concept of a set in programming. A set is a collection of distinct, unordered elements. Unlike lists, sets do not allow duplicate values, making them ideal for scenarios where uniqueness is crucial. Let's see how to create and use a set in Python. Now that you know what a set is, let's explore some fundamental set operations. Sets support a variety of operations such as union, intersection, and difference. These operations allow us to combine or compare sets in powerful ways. We'll start with the union operation, which combines all unique elements from two sets. In the final section, we'll cover the intersection and difference operations. Intersection finds common elements between sets, while the difference shows elements that are in one set but not the other. These operations help filter and refine data effectively.